Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. In this video, I would like to do a review of Bath & Body Works Hot Cocoa and Cream Body Care. Okay, so I picked this up a couple days ago, and let me read you the scent notes. Scent notes are a warm, indulgent mug of creamy cocoa, mini marshmallows, and vanilla musk. So on cold, you get like a sweet hot cocoa, like a cup of hot chocolate with vanilla. But oh my gosh, you guys, this smells like chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, it smells like chocolate chip cookies. I love this. Oh my gosh. Like it's chocolate chip cookies. Like you get that sweet vanilla, but also that cocoa, like on me it smells like chocolate chip cookies, and I freaking love this. Very noticeable. Chocolate scents tend to be very, very noticeable. So you definitely smell it at first. But, you know, as with most Bath and Body Works, I did have to reapply this like a couple hours later. But it's worth it. I love gourmand scents. I love gourmand for body care. I love gourmand for home fragrance, and this does not disappoint. This smells like chocolate chip cookies. Like I even get like a slight hint of like maybe cookie dough. Like there's an undertone of cookie dough. Oh, it's so nice. So if you want to smell like a chocolate chip cookie, pick this up. And please comment and let me know if you guys have tried this and if you're getting that cookie note that I'm picking up, because I'm always curious, because you know everybody's body chemistry is different and our noses are different too. Like we pick up different notes and things like that. So love to hear from you guys, but I'm really enjoying this, and I know they have it in home fragrance as well, but I don't know if it's going to be in full size body care. We will have to see, because I'll be getting more of this because I really, really like it. So yeah, that's my review of hot cocoa and cream. So thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.